This is a highlight tour of Nassau. Especially if you're coming from the cruise ships, which are docked right here. There's Bay Street, Wood Rogers Walk, and East Street and Duke Street. Take a look at this one here. Queen's Staircase. The Water Tower. Fort Fincastle. Nassau Public Library and Museum. Garden of Remembrance. Parliament Square. Rawson Square. Straw Market. Pompeii Museum of Slavery and Emancipation. Christ Church Cathedral. Government House. National Art Gallery of the Bahamas. And last, but not last of all the things to see in Nassau, Educulture Junkanoo Museum. That would make a nice walk from the cruise ship.